Hello friends, welcome to Daring Mariner YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about irregularities in indicator diagram. Irregularities in the shape of indicator diagrams are indications of faulty engine operation. If irregularity seems for all units, problem may be common like faults in fuel oil system, intake air, turbocharger, air cooler, exhaust, etc. When the irregularity is confined to a single unit, problem could be of fuel injectors, fuel pump, exhaust valve, etc. Early fuel ignition. We can see that for normal and when it is early fuel injection. Indications and effects. Abnormally, high peak pressure of the unit is recorded at the top of the piston stroke. Knocking sound comes out of the engine due to heavy loads passed to bearings via running gear. Early ignition causes increased thermal efficiency of the engine. Also, exhaust temperature reduces since combustion starts long before it is supposed to, but the shock, loads, and vibration result in damage of the engine. The causes are incorrectly adjusted or accidentally changed fuel pump timing, damaged or incorrectly set fuel valve or fuel injector, undesired fuel quality, parts inside cylinder or are overheated. For more Mara related topics, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Late ignition. We can see that normal and when it is late. Low indications and effects. Low peak pressure is indicator for a unit after top dead center. Combustion continue during expansion stroke, give rise to incomplete combustion of fuel, loss of energy, elevator exhaust gas temperature for the unit, and black smoke at the engine exhaust. Reduced power of the engine due to incomplete combustion of the fuel and energy lost in the exhaust. The causes are faulty fuel injector or injector spring tension tightened beyond setting, poor fuel quality, wrongly timed or leaky fuel pump, engine parts inside cylinders are undercooled, incorrect atomization, compression pressure low, combustion air supply is low. Then after burning, we can see the normal and the other case after burning. Indications and effects. A rise in expansion lane is recorded in the later part of the piston stroke. Since burning of fuel continues, exhaust gas temperature and pressure increases, causing black smoke at engine exhaust. Unburnt carbon deposits foul exhaust system cause damage to exhaust valve and steam. Turbocharger surges and there are chances of uptake fires in the exhaust gas economizer. Elevator temperatures inside the cylinder cause breaking up of lubrication and increased wear of lineage, piston rings, burning of piston counter, etc. The main causes are slow fuel combustion, quality of fuel is less, low temperature of fuel means high viscosity, leaky fuel injector. We can see that when it is leaked. Indications and effects. Reduced power in the affected unit, high exhaust temperature and presence of black smoke in exhaust. Possible knocking sounds or pressure waves in the fuel injection system, sudden up and downs in the indicator diagram in the fuel injection and expansion side. After burning due to incomplete combustion of fuel. After burning due to incomplete combustion of fuel. Causes are leaking fuel injector, choking of fuel injector spray holes, which leads to improper atomization and dripping of fuel. Then partially choked fuel valve. We can see that normally when it is partially choked, difference. Indications and effect. Low exhaust gas temperature of the unit, power cut and draw card indication, loss of engine power. The causes are fuel oil contamination and improper purification, carbon formation at injector tip, carbon deposits on fuel valve due to overheating. Low compression. Yeah, we can clearly see that when what happens due to when the case of lower compression. Indications and effect. Low pressure in the indicator card, reduced power of engine. Causes are improper combustion, insufficient air for combustion, leakage of air in between piston rings and liner while combustion stroke due to worn out liner or piston rings. Exhaust valve openings. We can see that the different cases normal, early opening and late opening. For the exhaust valve openings different. Lay spring diagram gives indications on faulty exhaust valve and intake port operation. Early opening, elevator exhaust gas temperature and fouling of exhaust system, loss of engine power. For late opening, reduced blow-down effect and hence reduced scavenging efficiency. Low quality of exhaust gas delivered to the turbocharger inversely affects its operation. Then we can see choked exhaust. We can see when it is choked during normal and the choked case. Indications and effect. Power loss in the unit, increased exhaust temperature, turbocharger surging, adversely affect scavenging efficiency. Causes are improper combustion, increased cylinder lube oil. For more marine related topics, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you.